Right, here we have a new arrival. Fiat Ducato CJ or CI. Mizar GTL Living. Right, so quick walk around as usual. Got the Fiat F45 large awning. Go on the back. Ladder to get on the roof. And you got the 3 bike rack as well. I'll show this actually as well. This is a large open area which you can actually move the bunk bed, which is inside, upwards and have a large side garage. But as always, quick look outside. Just been reupholstered this one inside, so let's have a look. Nice low step. And there we go. So we've got a large double bed up here, which can be lifted up, and it just attaches up there. Seats pretty much look like new up front, lovely. It's a 4 seat belts. It's a 7 berth, but it's 4 seat belts. And obviously, if you sat there, this just comes out here. But look, all brand new, nice cream leather upholstered. And at the back here, you've got the bunk beds. That's what I said. All this hatch opens here, lifts outwards, and this lifts upwards, and you've got a large garage area. And all the usual things. Hot and cold water, heating system. In fact, let's put the 12 on, so that's a command, not that you need it, because we have a nice sunny day for once. TV, aerial, etc. 24-volt plugs. Manuals, etc, etc. TV, this can be folded up as well. I won't do it because I can't do it one-handed. Lights. Nice large wardrobe there. Fridge freezer. I've just had this on actually tested, and that's absolutely ice cold. So everything's been checked and working. As well, hot water. Move that away. Absolutely boiling. And you've got the large oven here. 4 gas burner. And this is quite nice. You've got a large shower area. And I quite like them when they've got the end, you know, the end toilet's out of the way, right at the back. So yeah, I'm 6 foot and I've got quite a lot of room above my head. Yeah, just sorry for the squeaky trainers, but this literally just arrived, so I'm just filming it and talking to you while discovering things. Extractor fan, but yeah, lovely big size. So that's a massive area up there. Nice bit of light on either side. So what this pulls out, double bed, dump bed, double bed. In fact, you could easily sleep 3 up there, it's that big. Oh, is that a nice little, could be a wine rack, that. And it's in a price range one as well, so if all the details go on our website, openroadcars.co.uk. Obviously blown air, central heating as well. Let's go outside again. Get a bit of a... that actually looks like a rear spoiler. I'm nearly going to go up there, but I won't bother. But it's a bit of a beast. Price range, and I should imagine not many 7-berth motorhomes are available at the moment. And this is a good quality one. I think at the time it was the flagship. So there we have it. More information on the website. You're welcome anytime. But just a quick video to let you know, give you a quick insight. Alright, thank you.